Here's a brief video to introduce the Rapid Sequence Induction Clinical Currency Training, initially for retrieval consultants and then will be rolled out to registrars. The idea is that every 3 months we will revise and rehearse our pre-hospital rapid sequence induction via a written test and a practical test. The written test doesn't really require any writing. It's done online using the virtual learning environment, which I'll go into in more detail shortly. The practical is a run-through, a mannequin-based discussion around a scenario in which we'll practice the equipment setup and various factors to do with RSI in adults and children. It's pretty low-key, low-stress, non-confrontational, discussion-based revision. It's fun. We'll enjoy it. Let's get on to the written. Go to the virtual learning environment, which you'll remember is nswhems.edu20.org. Once you're on that site, log in with your username and password. Don't tell me you can't remember your username and password, but if you can't, tell me that and I'll remind you. You log in, and when you're in, you need to look on the left-hand side for the classes that you're enrolled in. Look for clinical currencies, click on that. A little sub-menu will come up which will include, at the moment, RSI clinical currency. So you need to identify that and click on it like this. RSI clinical currency. Then you'll see that there is an assignment. There will be 20 multiple choice questions to answer. So you click on that and answer the questions. Have a go. It says resume quiz here, but it will say start quiz when you have a go if you haven't attempted it before. And you just have to select the most appropriate answer from the list below. So in case of failed intubation, which of the following is true? I'll read through those options. I reckon oxygenation is the initial goal, so I'll click that, submit, and on we go to the next question. So there will be only 20 questions when you do it. They're taken at random from a larger question bank. And that's how to do the online VLE. Once that's done, contact Carl or myself to do the clinical currency, or grab one of us when you're on base. It doesn't take long. We can do it in groups of doctors. You don't have to do it on your own. And we'll have some fun, just do some revision. So that's it. The written and the practical every 3 months. It's fun. We're all going to have a go at doing this. And feedback if there are any issues with it or any way it could be improved. That's RSI clinical currency. I've got to go now. Here comes my ride to pick me up and take me home. So we'll catch you soon for the RSI clinical currencies. Take care. Cheers.